Hello everybody, welcome to Gamble with Jimmy. We're going to go ahead and get started on a Baccarat session. For all of you that are interested, I do have Baccarat training on my website. Go to gamblewithjimmy.com. It's very inexpensive, extremely effective. I can't tell you how many people thank me for the training. They do really well with it. There's so many educational tips that I give you in the training. Now, I am not able to give you all of my tips and tricks on this free YouTube video. This is just a promotion for me to show you guys, hey, you can make a lot of money in Baccarat. It's a 50% game. If you've been wanting to learn Baccarat, go to the casino. There's no reason that you can't make an extra amount of money for your family every single month if you follow what I teach you, okay? Now, I won't be able to show you everything in this free tutorial, but I will go ahead and play a session for you the best that my ability is without showing you all my tips and tricks, okay? All right, here we go. We're going to get started with a simple chop system that I've incorporated, and we're going to go ahead and start with the $25 bet on Banker. Okay, we're going to start off with a loss, so we're going to stay on Banker. Now we're going to go up to 50. We want to get the 25 back, and we want to win 25. So we are up some money right now. Well, actually, it looks like we won both of them. I apologize. It looks like we won the first one as well, and I thought we lost. Okay, so it looks like we're 2-0. All right, so we'll go ahead and take a look at here. And as you can see, the only time that we're going to respect this is if it comes down 3 times. So right now we're going to go with the chop. And we're going to go back to a quarter bet. Okay, we're going to get that victory. We're going to switch it to a chop. Going to win again. We're going to switch it to a chop. Okay, we're on a roll. We're on a roll. Just keep doing it if it's working. Just don't change it. Okay? Just keep playing that chop. Okay, we're going to lose that one. Let's stay on the chop and let's raise it up. Okay, it panned off for us. Let's go back to the chop. Okay, we're going to lose that. Let's stay on the chop and go up to 50. Okay, we're going to lose that. So that tells us that we're on a losing streak. That means that one side, which is player, should have three wins in a row. And there it is. Okay? So we're going to go and switch our strategy to playing the winner right now. We're going to play the winner, and we're going to go up to 100. And we're going to get that victory. And then we're immediately going to stay on that winner. But because we won, we're going to reduce it back down to 25. Now, the training does teach you all the tips, plus it also helps you with the bet sizing. Okay, we're going to stay on the winner. Okay, we're going to win again. Stay with the winner. Ride that wave. Okay, we're going to lose. Now, notice what's going on here, okay? Now, what happens is 10% of the time, you're going to see where it switches and then this player, 10% of the time, you'll start seeing this player come down a little bit again. 90% of the time, you're not going to see this player come down more than 2 or 3 or 4 times. 90% of the time. Okay? Now, if you are seeing that happen all the time, that would mean that your casino, you're probably playing online, and that would be something I would be cautious about. If you're seeing that happen more often, where this switches over and then comes straight back down to player again, they might be picking up on your betting patterns, and they could be cheating you. Just giving you a heads up. It's very possible. All right, so what we're going to do, because the math doesn't make sense. If you see this happen, where this comes all the way down with player again, it's just not mathematically possible to happen 50% of the time. From history of my experience, it only will happen 10% of the time at an ethical, non-cheating casino. So what we're going to do is we're going to ride the wave with Banker here. We're going to go and keep betting Banker, and we're going to keep laddering our bet size up if we were to lose, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go We're going to go with $200 on banker. Okay, we're definitely going to lose that one. So I'm going to go 500 on banker. Okay, we're going to lose that one too. And now I'm going to do one more shot at 1500. Okay, and I'm going to pull out that victory. And now we're up $1,000 already on this session. Okay, so it's exactly what I shared with you. Okay, I know it's scary, but this builds bankrolls. And when you build bankrolls, you're playing on house's money. So you'll have more confidence to do what you just witnessed. Now, I don't want you doing this kind of stuff until you have purchased the Baccarat training and you have listened to me talk to you on how to build your bankroll properly and to make sure that you're going home with profits before you try this. Everything that we do is, the goal is to play on casino profits, okay? All right, so we're going to go back to the chop system right here. We're going to do a quarter on player. Hello everybody, thank you for watching Gamble with Jimmy. I just wanted to show you how to go and support the channel. Go to gamblewithjimmy.com. When you're on the website, basically what you're going to do, you could either hit the shop store or you could hit the training options. So if you like the craps training, you would click on that. If you like the Baccarat, but you can accomplish the same thing by clicking the shop store. Once you get to the shop store, select which one you want. Okay, so you can get it from there as well. All right, so let's say you wanted to order the Baccarat training. It'll give you the price, which is $99. Basically, you get 3 videos. You can read about it and get started that way. So again, guys, I appreciate all your support that you guys do on the channel. And let's get back to the video. Okay, that's going to be a tie. We're going to pull out the victory. Let's go back to a chop so you guys can look at the chop. You see? We're going to go back to a chop right here, which is banker. Okay, we're going to get the victory. Go back to a chop. We're going to lose. So we're going to go to 50. And we're going to win. Now we're going to go back to the chop. Okay, we're going to lose. We're going to go to 50. We're going to tie, so we're just going to repeat it. We're going to tie, so we're going to repeat it. We're definitely going to lose there. Okay, now, the only time that you really need to go back and look at the board, it's just because when you know that you're getting in a losing streak. So you know right now that you have literally lost... you literally have lost 3 times in a row, right? So you've lost 3 times in a row. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at the board to verify that, and sure enough, you have lost 3 times in a row. So what we're going to do is we're going to go with the winner for 100. Okay, we're going to get the win. And now we're going to stay with the winner. Remember, stay with the winner when it's past 3 and you win. Keep going with the winner. Reduce your bet, though. You're going to win again. Just ride that wave. Okay, we're going to lose. Let's raise it up. Going to lose again. Okay, that's only been 2. It's only been 2, so we're going to stay with the chop. Going to go to 100. We're going to get the victory there, okay? So we got our 1 victory on that chop right there. And now we're going to go back to the chop, which is banker, okay? We are up $1,100, okay? We'll play a little more. And we're going with the chop. And we're going to get that victory, okay? We're going to go back to the chop. We're going to lose. Let's raise it up. And we're going to get that victory, okay? So let's go and see if we can get this to $1,200 profit today. and we'll go ahead and call it quits, okay? So right here, you want to go with the chop, which is banker. Okay, oh, that's a tie. Wow, 9-9. We're going to get the win. We only need one more bet. If we win this one, we're going to cash out. We're going to lose. We'll go to 50. And we're going to get that win 3-2. Okay, so we have achieved our $1,200 for the day. That is pretty typical. You're going to have some days at the casino where it's very easy like that. We had one stressful situation where if it would have went bad, we would have hit our stop loss, and that would have changed everything for us. And then what we would be doing right now is we would be grinding it back. And in the training, I show you how to do that. Okay, so guys, go to gamblewithjimmy.com, get your training, get the video access that you need. If you prefer craps, I have, you can look at that on the website as well. If you prefer and you want the top roulette strategies, you can look at that as well, okay? All right, thank you guys so much for your time, for your support on the channel. I appreciate it. I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. If you're watching this video after Christmas, well, have a Happy New Year this year. Let's win lots of money in 2025. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you on the next video.